Hello, this is Lee Funderburk with Stoney Creek Farm. Olin and I want to invite you to our Sustainable Farm Conference. What will you learn at our Sustainable Farm Conference? Well, we start out by talking about how you grow your own healthy food without pesticides. And of course, the first start to that journey is building healthy soil. Then we cover how you grow healthy food from seed. No, you don't have to buy expensive plants for your garden. You can grow your own healthy food in the winter using cold frames and hoop houses that are very easy to construct. We also do an introduction to beekeeping, which shows you all the costs associated with the startup and care of the hives. We use nature and beneficial insects on our farm so that we don't have to use pesticides. We cover preserving your garden bounty, canning, blanching, all of those skills needed for self-sufficiency so that you can eat healthy food all winter long. We also do an overview of fermentation, kombucha, kefir, and other fermented foods for a healthy gut. We cover farm animals, the life cycle of chickens and goats, their care, and their purpose in the farm. We hope you will join us for this one-day jam-packed adventure in sustainable living that is sure to change your life, whether you're on a few acres or in your own backyard. Register at stoneycreek.farm.